The construction squad. Hi, babies. Ooh, bubbles. Oh dear, it looks like you're out of bubble solution. Great idea, baby Susie. I bet the construction squad could build a better way to blow bubbles. What do you think, babies? Should we go see the squad? Let's go. Hi there, squad. The babies want to know if you can help them make giant bubbles. Do you have any ideas? Great. Let's head to the fire station. So what do we need to do to complete our mission? You're going to build a bubble machine. Good idea. This is going to be a lot of fun. Oh boy, there's a lot to do, guys. You'd better get started. Step 1, dig a pool for the bubble solution. All right, Edgar, let's dig the pool. Well done, Charlie. That metal sheet can line the pool. It's a perfect fit. Now you just need to fill it with soapy water. That's it. Why don't you get the hose? Great job. Step 2, create the base post and the bubble wand wheels. Let's start with the base post. Well done, guys. Ethan, how are the bubble wands? That looks great. Step 3, assemble the machine. Now, all we need is the fan. You'd better make sure that the fan works properly, Edgar. Careful now, you're spraying Charlie all over. Okay, let's turn it on. Uh-oh, the wheel is going too fast. Can you fix it, Ethan? Let's try it again. Marvelous! It works! Hi, babies. Are you ready to have some fun? Whoa! You nearly floated away. Mission accomplished, squad. You can do great things when you work as a team. Bye, friends. We'll see you next time. The construction squad. Hi, babies. Looks like you're having fun today. Wow, look at them go. Great idea, Baby Tom. I bet the construction squad could find a way for you to fly too. What do you think, babies? Should we go see the squad? Okay, let's go. Hi there, squad. The babies want to know if you can make them a ride so they can fly like Hector and Penny. Do you have any ideas? Great. Let's get to the work site, guys. Oh boy, it looks like we've got a lot to do, guys. We'd better get started. Okay, let's get the foundation laid first. Charlie, can you grab the slabs? That's it. Wow, that was quick. Great job. This is soft, so it won't hurt the babies if they fall on it. Next, we need to put that platform and spring down. Charlie, Ethan, can you gather up the materials? All right, Charlie, place that platform in the center of the foundation. Perfect. Can you screw it into the foundation? Uh-oh. Quick, gather those up before they roll away. Phew. Thanks, Edgar. Nice work. It's really coming together now. We're getting close to the finish line. Now we just need to put the plane together. Something looks wrong. Ah, you're right. It's upside down. There you go. That looks great. Now let's add the wings, propeller, and the rudders. That's it. Marvelous. Now we need to put it on the spring, friends. Edgar, can you screw it in? Awesome work, guys. The babies are going to love all of these rides. Hi, babies. Are you ready to have some fun? Want to test out the plane, Tom? That sure does look fun. Mission accomplished, squad. You can do great things when you work as a team. Bye, friends. We'll see you next time. The Construction Squad. Hi, babies. The fun fair is in town. How exciting. What's wrong? Oh, you've done all the fun rides already? Looks like you have an idea, baby Frank. Flying chairs. Those are fun. That's a great idea for the construction squad. Hi guys, baby Frank has an idea for a construction project. You want to hear what it is? It's a flying chairs ride for the fun fair. Okay, construction squad, let's gather materials and get to the fun fair. Here's the perfect spot. Time to get started. Step 1, build the base. There, a platform for the ride. Good job, Edgar. Step 2, assemble the flying chairs. That's it, Ethan. You'll need to have strong chains to hold the chairs in place. Step 3, attach the roof and flying chairs. Oh no, Charlie. It looks like one of the flying chairs is tangled up. Hi, Frank. Do you think you can help? The chair is tangled. There, you did it, guys. Great teamwork. Looks awesome, squad. Let's get the babies to test it out. Here they come. Surprise! It's finished. Ready for a ride? Good job, babies. Well done, construction squad. See you next time. The construction squad. Hi there, Gary. Gee, it sure looks like you're busy today. Oh no! You have to have all these leaves picked up by the end of the day? Charlie, Gary can't pick up all these leaves by himself. Can the construction squad help? That might might be a little messy, Charlie. Ooh, now that is a great idea. What do you think, Gary? You're right, Charlie. We'll need the other construction squad members to come bring us some supplies. Edgar, Ethan, Charlie has a project to build for Gary the garbage truck. Can you bring some supplies for a robot trailer? Hi, guys. Thanks for coming so fast. Did you bring the supplies? Perfect. That's just what we need. Time to get to work. All right, Edgar. Can you turn that metal sheet into a trailer bed? I don't think that's right. Give it another try. That's it. Now it needs tires. Charlie, can you put those on? Awesome. Great teamwork, squad. Now all we need is the mechanical arms. It's really coming together now, guys. Are you ready to pull the robot trailer? Great. It's ready. Time to test it out. Uh-oh, something went wrong. Ah, you're right, Ethan. The arms must be on backward. Okay, let's try it again, guys. Awesome, it works. Wow, look at him go. The robot really speeds things up. Have fun, Gary. Bye. All right, squad. Your mission here is accomplished. Time to head home. We'll see you next time. The construction squad. What a nice thing to see. Matt and Frank spending some quality time playing with their kids. Hang on. What's that sound? It's Hector. There's an emergency, and Hector needs your dads to come and help. Will you kids be okay playing on your own? Here comes Ethan the dump truck. He says the construction squad can build a wooden shed for you to play in while your dads are at work. Hi, Edgar. Hi, Charlie. Ethan's got a project for you. He wants to build a wood shed for baby Matt and Frank. That's handy. Charlie has just taken delivery of wooden panels, which he says will make good walls. Oh, great. Edgar's found a roof for the building, too. You guys don't waste any time. Can you keep that panel in place, Charlie? Then the walls will be stable while Edgar fixes them in place. It's looking great, guys. Just the roof to put on, and then it will be finished. They're building a woodshed for baby Matt and baby Frank to play in while their dads are working. Wait, Charlie. Tom says he has something special to add to the roof. Awesome! An emergency light, just like the one at Car Patrol headquarters. That's a great play shed. Here come the babies now, ready to try it out. The baby cars have their own headquarters now, guys. And it sounds like they've got an emergency to attend to, just like you. Hey guys, follow us in our big adventures by clicking more videos. Download our app to play with your favorite friends. Thanks for riding with us. Hope you liked our video. Click here to subscribe and join the Car City family. See you on the road.